Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Topic is agriculture. Agriculture is a primary activity. It indicates growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. Second, in the world 50% of persons are engaged in agricultural activities. Two-thirds of people population is still depend on agriculture. Third, favorable together of soil and climate are vital for agricultural activity. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Farm system. First, the important inputs of agriculture are seed, fertilizer, machinery, and labor. Second, the operational needs are plugging, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. Third, the output from the system include crops, wool, dairy, and poultry products. Types of farming. Two types of farming. Subsistence farming, second commercial farming. Subsistence farming. First, farming is practiced to meet the need of the farmer family. Second, low level of technology and household labor are used to produce a small output. Third, subsistence farming classified as intense subsistence farming. First, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Second, climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soil permit growing of more than one crops annually on the same plot. Third, rice is the main crop. Other is wheat, maize, so on. Primitive subsistence agriculture. First, shifting cultivation. It practices in the thickly forest area of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, and northeast India. Method: the ashes all then mixed with the soil and crops are grown. Third, shifting cultivation is also known as the slash and burn agriculture. Second, nomadic herding. Region है सेमी एरिड रीजन ऑफ सहारा है, सेंट्रल एशिया है, एंड इन इंडिया राजस्थान एंड जम्मू एंड कश्मीर है. इसमें क्या है, पीपल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर विद फूड एंड वाटर. एग्जाम्पल है शीप, कैमल, गोट एक्सेट्रा. Commercial farming. First, crops are grown and animals are reared. Second, the area cultivated and the amount of capital used in large. Third, most of the work is done by machine. Fourth, commercial farming include commercial grain farming. First, crop are grown on commercial purpose. Second, common crops wheat and maize. Third, major areas in Northern America, Europe, and Asia. Fourth, restrict the growing season and only the single crop can be grown. Mixed farming. First, the land is used for growing food and fooder crops and rearing livestock. Areas है यूरोप है, अर्जेंटीना है, न्यूजीलैंड है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Plantation. First, only single crop of tea, coffee, sugar cane, and so on. Large amount of labor and capital are required. Third, to produce farm itself and nearby factories. Fourth, area rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, and tea in India and Sri Lanka. Thank you for supporting. Please like, share, and subscribe channel.